Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Mastercard, beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in Mastercard can be a great addition to your portfolio. Before you begin, make sure you understand the basics of stock investing. Research Mastercard's business model and its role in the payment industry. Review Mastercard's financial performance over recent years. Look for trends in revenue growth, profit margins, and market share. Evaluate Mastercard's competitive position against other players in the industry. Check news and developments related to the company for any recent announcements. Decide how much money you are willing to invest. Set a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Choose a brokerage platform where you can buy Mastercard shares. Look for platforms with low fees and a user-friendly interface. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for one. Complete the necessary verification and funding processes. Once your account is set up and funded, search for Mastercard's stock symbol, which is MA. Review the current stock price and performance chart. Determine your investment strategy. Are you buying for short-term gains or long-term holding? Place your order, opting for either a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order for a specific price. Once your order is executed, monitor your investment's performance regularly. Stay informed about market trends and news affecting Mastercard. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes. Review your investment at regular intervals to assess if it meets your financial goals. Be ready to adjust your strategy if necessary based on performance and market conditions. Always continue learning about investment practices and market dynamics. Investing is a long-term commitment, so remain patient and informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.